Have you ever wondered if the aliens we imagine are actually future versions of ourselves? A thought-provoking query that rattles the foundations of our understanding of time, space, and the very essence of life. It's a question that plunges us into a sea of possibilities and challenges us to rethink our place in the universe. It's a question that transcends the realms of science fiction and enters the sphere of scientific possibility. So, let's delve into the theories that might make this hypothesis a reality. Scene script. First up, we have the time travel theory. This theory proposes that what we perceive as extraterrestrial life might be humans from the future, having mastered the art of time travel. Imagine us, humans, thousands or perhaps millions of years from now, with technology so advanced that we've managed to bend the fabric of time itself. Now let's dive into the mechanics of time travel. According to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, time isn't a constant entity. It can be bent, stretched, and manipulated by gravity and velocity. Picture a sheet of paper. Now, if you fold that paper in half, you create a shortcut through the two-dimensional space. This is called a wormhole. In theory, if we could create such a wormhole in the fabric of space-time, we could potentially travel back and forth through time. But time travel isn't as simple as hopping in a spaceship and punching in a date. It's riddled with paradoxes and complexities. For instance, there's the grandfather paradox, where if a person travels back in time and accidentally prevents their grandparents from meeting, they would cease to exist. But if they don't exist, who traveled back in time? Another paradox is the bootstrap paradox, where information or objects can exist without ever having been created. Suppose a time traveler takes a science textbook back to the past and gives it to a young Albert Einstein. Einstein then uses the knowledge to write his theories, which are then published in the textbook that the time traveler takes back. The question then arises, who wrote the original theories? These paradoxes illustrate the complexities of time travel, but they don't necessarily disprove it. Instead, they challenge our understanding of time and causality, inspiring us to think outside the box. So, if time travel is possible, it may explain why we perceive aliens as future versions of ourselves. Imagine those strange beings with advanced technology that we label as aliens could just be us, humans from a future where we've outsmarted time itself. Next, we have the evolutionary leap theory. Now, this is a real mind-bender, folks, so strap in. This theory is all about how we, as humans, could potentially evolve into what we perceive as aliens. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a future where our species has evolved so much that we become unrecognizable, even to ourselves. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi novel, doesn't it? But let's delve a little deeper into this fascinating concept. To understand this theory, we first need to grasp the basics of evolution. It's a slow, gradual process where species adapt and change over millions of years. However, with the rapid pace of technological advancements, it's possible that evolution could be accelerated. Now, how does this tie into the idea of aliens being future humans? Well, if we take into account the potential for accelerated evolution, we might just have an answer. In the future, humans might develop technology that allows us to manipulate our own DNA. We could potentially evolve ourselves, choosing traits that would be beneficial in diverse environments, like different planets or even space itself. For instance, we might develop larger eyes to adapt to lower light conditions on distant planets, or even grow extra limbs to better navigate weightless environments. Over time, these changes could make us look vastly different from the humans of today. This idea isn't as far-fetched as it might seem. We're already seeing the beginnings of this with gene editing technologies like CRISPR. So, could we one day look in the mirror and see an alien staring back at us? Well, according to the evolutionary leap theory, it's entirely possible. In essence, this theory proposes that the aliens we envision today might just be us, looking back from a distant future, a future where we've changed so much, adapted and evolved, that we've become entirely different beings. This theory suggests that future humans might evolve into beings that we currently perceive as aliens. A thought-provoking notion, isn't it? But remember, it's just a theory, one of many in the vast and ever-expanding universe of speculative science. Finally, we explore the multiverse theory. As the name suggests, this theory proposes that there isn't just one universe, but rather an infinite number of universes, each with its own unique laws of physics, timelines, and even life forms. This mind-bending concept is like a cosmic Russian doll with universes tucked within universes, a concept that's both mesmerizing and daunting. Now, let's delve into how this theory could potentially explain the presence of aliens as future humans. Imagine a parallel universe where the timeline is ahead of our own, where Homo sapiens have evolved into a species that we, in our universe, would perceive as extraterrestrial. These future humans may have developed advanced technology to traverse the multiverse, hence their appearances in our world. Alternatively, consider a universe where the laws of physics are so radically different that life evolved in ways beyond our comprehension, creating beings that bear no resemblance to our understanding of life. These beings, if they somehow found a way to our universe, would certainly be perceived as aliens. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? The multiverse theory provides an explanation for the existence of aliens that links them back to humanity, albeit a version of humanity that's far removed from our current understanding. In a multiverse, it's plausible that what we perceive as aliens are actually future humans from a different universe. These theories, while speculative, offer intriguing possibilities. We've journeyed through the realm of time travel, considering the idea that aliens might be us, visiting from a distant future. We've pondered the evolutionary leap theory, where we've envisioned a future where humans evolve into beings that might seem alien to us now. And we've ventured into the mind-bending world of the multiverse, where an infinite number of universes could mean an infinite number of possibilities for what humans might become. Each of these theories, while they push the boundaries of our understanding, reminds us of the vastness of the universe and the limitless potential of human evolution. Remember, these theories, as fascinating as they are, remain speculative. They challenge us to think, to wonder, and to explore the infinite possibilities that lie before us. So, the next time you think about aliens, you might just be envisioning a glimpse of our own future.